Alrighty. My illness is still catching up on me. Alrighty, gentlemen. Give me one moment here. Let me see what's up. Uh, Gentlemen or gentlewomen, honestly. I just realized I should have said that. That sounds a little more polite, don't it? Alrighty. Alright, see then. Let's see what else I can possibly might be able to do today. Doesn't seem like much. I know you guys can't see anything right now, but I'll get set up. Alright, just kind of adjusting some things here. Don't mind me. I hope you all can hear me. Output, streaming, track one, and options. Okay, cool. So, track one, we don't want that, we don't want that, we don't want that, we don't want anything here. We do want game capture. And then the second one, we just want that on. Then everything else could be everything else, I guess. Okay. Okay. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. All right. How we doing, my dear peeps? Okay. Now, let's just do capture any full screen application. Specific. We'll do specific. And we'll do Minecraft for right now. So hopefully that kind of pops up on screen. And hey. And new tab. All right, this sounds good. All right, servers up online. Let's do this. No. I may or may not have just hit my head on my arm, my mic arm, but that's fine. What the heck? I was not paying attention. Okay. I mean, oh yes, I know what this is talking about. Yeah. I have that installed. My server's offline. What you talking about? This is online. Is the Wi-Fi be lying to me? Oh, I started the wrong server. I have too many servers, my friends. Too many servers. Alright. Let's save and quit that, and then we'll start that. Okay. Accessibility. And then action bar, assist UI, chat background, okay. Background text opacity. Is there a reset? Yeah, resets everything back to normal. So I will do is I will take a picture of this. I don't need that. And we can take a look at like alright. So should be turning that off then. And then turning this to like there. And turn that off. I believe. Yeah. Yep, I'm good. Now, my game has been lagging a lot recently. Don't know what the cause of it is. Keep that. We'll throw away all of these. I hope to God I didn't do anything wrong. Keep that up there. And actually, in fact, we're going to save and quit, and we're going to do, here, global resources, and turning on that with that and that. Now, what's the error for this one? I cannot find chat and text. Whatever. Okay. I mean, honestly, that's fine. It's not a big deal for that one. It might break things though. We'll see. Okay, dokes. Okay, dokes. So that'll update things and it'll make it look more like Java in just a moment here. Alright, multiplayer. Just a tad. Nothing too big. anyways, we got things working. We do have this little thing here. Now this is gonna render distance 50. Okay, actually that's great. Classic, great. Full screen. Auto. Okay, yep. Screen animations. Now we're good. We don't need that. And in fact, actually, we can turn on vibrant visuals, but it may affect my gameplay. Don't know why, but ever since I did a little something to my game, it's been feeling a little worse. Arguably, it has a slight delay to it. Arguably. Anyways, so, I'm gonna clip that so that I can go into here and renew my offer, my, metal offer. Where's metal? Need metal. Found metal. So now that we've got that, I should be able to view all quests. And paste this, and it should give me some more RAM. So that'll be nice. It'll give me for like a week. 2 socials. Alright, ladies and gents. We've got this thing working. Oh my god, that's so much nicer, arguably. I don't care what you all say. Oh, okay, so if I like drop this down. Oh my god, I love that. Yeah, nice. I'm so glad they did. Yeah, it's perfect. Everything I need. So over the course of time, I've been working on this. And so the way this works is there's a bed, right? And you go break the bed, and that happens. So obviously, like, I don't got, like, this is just quickly made. I didn't know what I was doing, really. Not really a programmer, but you know, yeah, I think that was good. For like a bed breaking sound. I am curious, however, though. So I'm gonna find the position here, and I'm gonna do /set block -1 142 150 -15. I'm gonna do this and then air. So that happens, right? And now I got that set up. I want to go like, let's say I'm all the way over here, and that goes off. Yeah, it's a bit quiet. Let's do 15. And then another 15 here. 15. So now I can go here, I'm right here. I heard that. But we want to make it a bit louder, right? So let's take a look at this. So we want it so then for a certain amount of time, I'm gonna also check this out just to make sure, because I'm not good with commands. So Minecraft Bedrock play sound command. Okay, so it's sound, player, position, volume, pitch, and minimum sound. So like the minimum level, I'm guessing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna have it all at one volume. So we can say like 10, just 1 for pitch, and 10. Let's see how that sounds. And then also, I forgot to do it here. So 10, 1, 10, I believe. So we do that. We enable that. Is that 10? Because it's supposed to be volume, pitch. Okay. So it can be between, so values less or equal to 0 makes the sound inaudible or whatever. Pitch affects the speed. So, for example, a pitch of 0.5 would mean the sound effect would be playing at 0.5x speed. So 1 should be fine. Play sound volume of 1 equals to an audible sphere of 16 blocks versus primarily the sound volume of 4 is equivalent to 64 blocks. So that means 160 blocks, I'm guessing. So if I place this down, I feel that lag up there a little bit. So if I do that and I hop over here, no, that's not gonna work. This is looking a lot nicer than before, honestly. We'll mute chat for right now. I don't know if that's gonna do anything. Yeah, you can't do anything like that. Alright, so if I go like right here, that happens, but I didn't hear it. So say if you do that, I'm saying right here. I think the issue is more or less. Oh, something broke. Oh, it has to be right there. Okay, gotcha. That's also like, wait, why is it not working? Okay, try this again. This is looking overall pretty great. Hold up. Execute if block. Okay. Air run. That becomes true, yeah. Okay. So I think this looks pretty great overall. I would like to make like some sort of VFX for like an exploding bed. So how do I get that? I'm searching this up online. Saying particle effects. I guess we're looking at particle effects, I guess. Particles. Alright. I honestly don't know what I'm doing. Okay, a large explosion or huge explosion. So let's just say explosion. How do we summon explosion? So, same question as before, how to summon effects. So saying slash particle and then whatever, whatever, whatever. So, um, it's using the slash particle command. So if we go back and we do slash summon, or no, slash particle, and then effect string. So you can say, what is it? What is it? What is it? It's explosion. Large explosion, I'm guessing? Wait, let me look. Java and Bedrock name. Okay. So on Bedrock, it's called large explosion. That's what they call it. So we'll do large explosion. We'll just say tilde, tilde, tilde. Nope, nothing happened. We'll do negative 142, 150, negative 115. Anything. I did that right, no? A little bit confused there. That is very interesting because this should be happening. I'm confused as to why it is not. Genuinely, I'm confused, to be fair. So you have vanilla particles, disabling particles, but this doesn't help me. I'm lost. What? Okay, how do you slash particle? Slash particle. Okay, vanilla particles, key of this. For some reason, Bedrock requires a leading Minecraft and then K. So apparently we have to go like Minecraft like that. Oh, I saw it. Maybe we need to have the bigger one. So huge explosion emitter. Maybe that'll look better. No, but that's not big enough. Or it's too big, I mean. Maybe if we just do one block higher. Oh wait, that actually looks feasible. I think that's feasible. So we'll do that right up here. So whatever that command is. And that is going to be conditional. So now, if I were to break the bed, that is beautiful actually. Now, however, it is a bit slower. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take each and every one of these. Okay, this is actually pretty good. Hello, Blue. How you doing there, sir? Minecraft? Well, I am playing Minecraft, so I mean, I don't know what to tell you there, sir. This is actually really nice. I kind of like this. And I feel like, in terms of like, not that, but like this, we could do just like 25. Let's just do 25, honestly. I don't know. But I set minimum volume to 10 because this is pitch. What if we just did 100? Put in 100. Does that make more sense? So that's 25, that's 25, and then we go here. 100 and 100. Done. Blue, are you still there? Nah, he's gone. He dipped. Alright. Okay, that sounds a lot. That sounds really good, and it looks really good. Excuse me. And honestly, this is really good. I'm really proud with this. What I'm gonna do though is I'm gonna go bam, 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 and we have our little training arena over here. So here's our little like a little parkour area. Okay, I don't know who did this. But we have these little beds here. Curious as to why my mic not start. Minecraft version is unavailable. Gotcha. So that's fine in the end. Like it'll update eventually. I guess just not right now. Oh, what the heck was that? What the heck was that? Oh, I know what that is now. Not bad. Let me try this one last time. If it works, cool. Nope. Version is not correct. Oh well. Not a big deal. So you have these little beds here, right? And so I can do is I can set up the commands right here. So just do 1, 2. Oh, did that wrong. And we can go. Honestly, I'm just gonna look right here. And then because we have that, we can just place this block right here. But since we want to test these two areas right here, what I can do is oh, do we have space down here? Maybe. Let's see. Maybe I might be able to sneak it in. But clear at a bed. I don't know, honestly. So okay. White bed, red bed, and yellow bed, but there's no longer a white. So if that's yellow, we can do like yellow, red, yellow, blue, maybe? Red, yellow, blue, red, yellow, green. Green, I guess. So like green bed, drop. Oh, okay, there I am. So I think okay, first of all, my arm's stiff in this. I'm gonna take a look at this texture pack or whatever and see if I can fix it, cause like all these guys are stiff and I don't like it. But yeah, so that's cool. Okay. But we want to make it so that okay. I have not done this in a long time. I haven't been in this area for a little bit. But what I can do is maybe I can expand this out a bit. Maybe that way. Or just a little bit of space there. Maybe I can like place in there. I don't know. We'll see. But how do I get out of here? Okay, cool. But oh, I need to grab something from here. I'm so lost with what I'm doing right now. We wanna figure out something, and I don't know what it is per se. Might be clear. Let me take. Oh wait. Replace. So it's cloning here. Um. Okay, so I'm guessing just just based off my observations. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, and we do another 1, 2, 3, and these are our coordinates, and we can also double check that. So we can check that, and that's for yellow bed. Okay, so let's check yellow bed. What are these chords here? Chords are 34, 150, 20. Cool. So we are correct when it comes to that. So we can just call this one yellow. All right, we can call it yellow bed, I guess. And then we can call this one red. Not a biggie. The way this works is we're gonna go here. I'm just gonna replace everything. So now it's done that. And then we can just replace everything else. Paste. Like that. And then finally with this one as well. Okay, cool. So according to that, if I were to break this, oh wait, that's right. So the issue is it's not using the correct chords anymore. So it's gotta be right here, because if that's 150, and this has gotta be 150. So if I do slash set block, I guess this is 3, 150, 25. 3, 150, 25. 3, 150, 25. So you go here, and we just delete all this. We got 3, 150, 25. And we can also double check once more. 3, 150, 25. So now that should work. So if I go here, I did see something. Okay. So large explosion, we're going to go 1 block up. Just so you can see it. Everything else seems to be working fine. I am confused on this one, however. No targets matched. So maybe just needs to be near. I don't know, actually. I'm guessing that means like you have to be near the command block in order for it to work, I'm guessing. but that does work. So I'm guessing just leave it as at A. Let's just see how this works. If we go at A, just like that, and we go down or go up, and we delete that, and we just leave it like that. We go replace the bed, and we go place that down, and we go break the block. But now I'm curious, because if I do /set block air, oh, that's not air, right? So hold up, let me place that down. Let me go down over here. You know, we're gonna go all the way over here. In fact, even I'm gonna do /set block that air. So there was, I guess. I heard that. So it might be a little too loud. And it might not be what we want to do. Cause like I heard that maybe what we need to do is go here and just get rid of this minimum. Maybe that's what we need to do. So we're gonna go do that. Just delete that minimum. And we're gonna see how this works again. So we already placed that back. And we just I genuinely don't know what to do here. But I think it'll be fine for now. I think, however, though, I will get rid of these blocks there. And I will instead get these new ones. And break these here. Oh, wait, hold up. Alright. So there's that working there. Let me place that back. Oh wait, yeah, that's right. You need to have that there. I think I just place that there. Here. Cool. That works. Big but, I think instead of doing it like that, I think we should have it. Let's have it right there. Instead, we'll just do 2 150 26. 2 150 26. 2 150 26. There we go. And we go here and we just go, I'm guessing. What are my chords? It's still in 2, but it's 24 instead. So we're gonna go here, place that at 2, and then we go here and we go 24. So that's gonna deal with everything there. But now we need the new chord, which is right here. So we can stand right there. So it's 20 155. 20 155. 20 155. So we go here. 20 155. And then we hit done. And then we just go up here. 20 155. And we just keep doing that. 20 155. And finally, right here. 20 155. So now I got
both of these all set up. Let's see, we'll rearrange that. So if we go set this up again, we can, oh, I'm stuck. So if we go here, that's working. So that means I can go from here. That breaks. And you go here. But. You go one there. And now everything should look way better than beforehand. Cool. Alright, this is looking kinda good. Yeah. Looking kinda good. I don't know what any of this stuff means, honestly. Don't know what this is, but my friend made this, so I'm like curious. Yeah. Bye, friend. I'm trying to see how I can disable this, but I don't know how to. Disable auto clear. Always active, so maybe that needs to be turned off like that, and then we just can leave these on, I guess. Yep, that's what it was. Okay, nice. So now, alright, to explain what this is here, and I'll give a little bit of an explanation. This is a training course. Oh, that was clear, my bad. And you just pick out a block. I don't know why it gave me just one. Oh. I'll pick that up. We'll do one more. White. Okay. So the way this works is that this is for speed bridging. So I can stand right here. I did that horribly. Did that horribly also. So just to kind of help you practice on how this works. So I almost did it there. So you gotta like see it like wants to work, but it also kind of like just doesn't. And so it's a little interesting there. See like that. Oh, I think it's the server that's lagging. That's why. It's not a very great server. Like. I don't know how that works, honestly. What? Yeah, it's pretty cool though. So, and another way of doing it is just by like right clicking. No, this server's like really bad. being so buggy. Yeah, nah. But yeah, it's just a little showcase on that there. Yeah, we got our little hub. I'm really pleased with overall how this came out. I think what we could do is like, I don't know actually what we could do, but let's see. It's gonna be like a portal, so like you just walk into it, and it's gonna be like that. You're like, ooh, I want to go here, and then you go there, and then it's gonna teleport you to like almost like replica, I guess, of what you're looking at. So like you go up here, and then instead you'll be facing the opposite side. So it'll be like teleport, and bam, like that. But yeah. Little taste on that. And then we kind of got this area working a bit. I really do like this. However, I kind of got the bed inverted a little bit. So like, as you can see, I know this isn't the original bed texture, but the bed texture is actually flipped. And I can show you more in depth because I was building this from the top down like that. As you see, like that. I could try redrawing it, but it's just going to be a lot more difficult. Maybe I can like make a texture pack and just invert this texture or something. I don't know. I mean, overall, I'm pleased with it. Like, I have no complaints. I really like how it looks. I'm very happy. Yeah, and also, I don't know whether to change these bushes here or not. Like, they look great and all, but like, should they be here? I'm curious. No. What's a good way of making like? I mean, I guess you could just go through like that the entire way. And not like that way, just kind of that. But like, you could just have it like that. Or just go like. Like that, maybe? No. Actually, I don't know how to do this, honestly. We'll leave it as that. I'm not really a builder. If anyone's a builder, let me know. Actually, I'll search it up. How to make a hedge in Minecraft. Okay, I see some combinations. These do look overall pretty good. Okay, I'm gonna try one that I see here, and we're gonna see whether this works or not. So it's using a fence gate and those new like I forgot what they're called, but I know what I'm looking for. It's like the whatever biome this is, like the caves, whatever I forgot what it's called. So you take this, you take the bush that you're looking for, I'm guessing. Yeah. Get the hedge or whatever. A lot of times people use moss, it looks like, so we can use moss honestly for this case scenario. Or nah, we'll be fine. So the way it works, and I'm gonna remove these actually. They're literally just the exact same as that, pretty much. 3. So the way it works is that you place a I'm guessing you need like dirt or something for that, but I guess you can somehow like brute force it in by going like here, and then we could do like set block, and then 147, 188, 121, and then we could just say what is this called? It's called AZAL. AZAL. Like that, see? Bruce Force. And I mean, now, yeah, I mean... Oh. There we are. So, like, that's looking kind of great. Does prevent overall people from getting in, and then we can probably do the same thing here, but instead with these new chords, so 188 and then 147. Wait, no, this isn't right because they're not on the same axis. I knew it. 146. No, it's 148. And so now I can get rid of that. Go there. And we go there. And there. That's it. So, I mean, I genuinely don't know. But, we're gonna see how this looks, I guess. So, the way they're doing this is they're getting a fence. They're getting a spruce fence gate. And that's gonna break that time. And the way this works, from what I'm seeing, is they're having that. Okay, so for now I'm just gonna get some moss because it'll look the exact same, and then they're going to place 2 place, and that does not make sense. So maybe you go 3. So 3 in the beginning, so 1, 2, 3, break. And then 1, 2, 3, break. Moss, and then go. And then they're going, they're going that. And they're just going bop, bop, bop. Going bop, 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 bop. Bop. I mean, obviously you can still hop over it, so maybe like, does that prevent, no, that does not prevent it more. I don't know, actually. Because, I mean, that does look nice and all, I don't know. I'll just put this back to the way it was. It's a little interesting, though. Like, something has occurred that I do have to go. Um, uh, Something maybe like that, I guess. Could look nice. Maybe. I don't really know. I think for now let's go with that. And leave it as that for now. Yeah, I think that's good. I think I like how this has turned out. I'm pleased. And I hope to hopefully finish this off soon. Alrighty, thanks y'all. Take care, bye bye.